silence of the night surrounds me, and within its solitary confines I shall find comfort in memories, memories of you, memories I thought once to be. Hoping you had thoughts of me, I cannot begin to conceive that my love for you will someday cease. You said it was a dream, and I suppose this is true, but it will never end for me, as it seems to have ended for you, because my love for you will last always, always. And I will ask for nothing in return. Memories I thought once to be, hoping you had thoughts of me. The silence of the night surrounds me.